Yeah, elle veut danser, elle veut bouger, yeah. Never seen it quite like this. She be the hottest in town, coming out the twice.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is day 59 of my 100 days of YouTube videos, and I'm currently moving out of my apartment. Everywhere is so messy. Like extremely messy. I wish I could do a room tour, but there's really no time. I gotta go. Yeah, so come and pack with me. The bus is outside, so okay, so I want to, you can see the way, you can see all my things outside. Moving out. Finally. It's about driving inside. We want to sell the building, so that's why we're moving out. Here's my TV. I won't like give us time to give me time to fix my TV. Why my face look wide? Why does my face look wide? Oh my god. They didn't even give me time to fix my TV, so yeah, I'm exhausted. Super exhausted, y'all. Super exhausted, so yeah. Time to ride on.
A few moments later.
The shout that I've shouted just now. The shout that I've shouted just now. Doesn't have part 2. But we're almost done. So if you're wondering what made me shout, here's a quick backstory. Me and the driver, we've been talking since last night, and we agreed on everything. And finally, when he came, after moving some few things, he was like, "Oh, that please, do I have cash? That if I don't have cash, you won't do the work." And I'm like, "What? I don't have cash. You can't just assume I have cash on me. Like we've been talking since last night. You didn't even inform me or let me know, oh, okay, I will need cash. You can't just expect me to have cash, like cash payment." The plan was for me to do transfer. He said, "Oh, he wants to buy fuel. He wants to buy fuel, so he needs cash, and they don't accept POS payments or transfer, blah, blah, blah." And I'm like, "Oga, that was not the plan." And he was like, "Oh, then you will leave my work." And I started shouting. I said, "You are not going anywhere because I've planned to leave here today. You can't just tell me because I don't have cash. It's not like you gave me cash." And it was a Sunday, so the POS guy did not even open. I then said, "It's not even like you're asking for the POS charges." I was like, "If you ask for the POS charges, I will understand. You can't just assume I have cash and tell me to give you cash." Anyways, me and the driver were able to settle the matter, and then everything just went smoothly. From there, we packed everything successfully. I'm eating since, so I had to drink yogurt to get strength. Yeah, so from there, I went to the laundromat to go and do my laundry. I was so tired, but I was like, I must do it today. Because before you know, work starts the next day, and I could not wait till next weekend, so I had to do it. So yeah, so this is just me doing my laundry. And I got there around 3 p.m. By the time it was my turn, and by the time I finished everything, time was 9. So I left there around 9 o'clock. I was so tired. Like, I didn't really eat this day. I was so stressed. Okay, everyone. I'm done packing. I've finished everything. Time is almost 11 p.m. It's actually 10:57 or 10:58 right now. I'm done and I'm just ready to leave. So I'm saying goodbye to this apartment. On to the next one. So yeah, some people will come and clean it up later. Yeah, so bye. Bye, this apartment. We made a lot of nice memories. Anyways, see you later. Bye. And the Uber guy that carried me was so nice. Like, he's the nicest Uber guy I've ever met. Like, he just made me feel so comfortable. He assisted me throughout. He waited for me. I was tense. I was under pressure. He was like, "Oh, calm down." He played calm music for me so that I can feel relaxed. I was going to a friend's place to spend some time. I got there around 11 p.m. But anyways, that was how my day went. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah, bye.
Let them know who got the crown, girl, who does it like you do. Always keep it hundo when you move. You don't really want it.